Today is 12 November 2025. This is Kamlakar Balyapalli Venkata. Today we will discuss about the sun and moon, how they are cause of a simple chemical reaction between the sun and moon. This cause of all existence on Earth. The hydrogen helium combustion reaction is a basic chemical reaction in which the energy of the sun reflects on the moon, which regenerates the living beings and non-living beings on the earth. This is cause of existence. So many people are unaware of this theory that the existence of Lord Vishnu in the form of Surya Narayana Murti, which is a male form, which is unavailable in any of the tests available in your classroom studies. The fact is that as per the Veda, we worship God Surya Narayana Murti, Lord Surya Narayana Murti, because of the fact that he only the cause of all prana, living beings and non-living beings, and the existence means literally when the sun is switched off for a span of 1 hour or less, all the living beings and the chemical reactions will stop running on Earth, and not only on Earth, and other planets also. The combustion reactions are basics of chemistry. The excited state of atoms and all other molecules or the ions and all other subsidiary atoms are formed from zero. Sunyatva means zero is a null space theory that belongs to Lord Shiva, and the Surya Narayana Murti is a form of Vishnu. The earth in which we are living is the Shakta, is the feminine form. The seed reaction, the basic of the reaction is from the sun, and when a living being is getting some sort of energies and flow of the static energy in your human body, every human body has its own form of energy, which we will get from the sun and in the moon. When we find that there is a day without the sun and the moon, that never exists in any of our literature in Vedas as well as in the science. The basic chemical reactions and how they are related to the existence of these plants, animals, and the humans, their interaction, these all comes under the environmental studies, where the science takes all the reactions, and the scientific study itself is the study of things around us, both living and non-living beings, how they exist and how we are getting all the things done, how the hydrochloric acid in our stomach is responsible for all the body functioning, the oxygen from the trees and also from other resources, how it is converted into carbon dioxide and how it is transported to the cells. These are all theories related to the upper cosmos, where all the scientific literature and the Vedic literature are interrelated. So many people belonging to non-science graduates and technology related graduates, they don't know any basic knowledge on these subjects, owing to the fact that they say that they are living away from all these things, the source of existence of human living and the chemical interactions. And when the plant get affected, our food resources will get affected, when the animal get affected, or the animals in which the street dogs and all, they are not vaccinated in time, when the things around us are upset, they are not fine, what will happen? It will affect our human living only. So whenever we say that there is a disease or something else in a dog which is roaming in around us, that automatically that will, or a dog or any other living being, that then humans, if it gets affected. Similarly, all the diseases which we are seeing originated in the same fashion. The HIV or some other virus, for example, they originated from bats, and that HIV is originated from a the South African country, it's belonging to some chimpanzee or a monkey. Those diseases, how they are injected into the human genome and how they are getting transmitted is through environmental resources only. When you say that a plant is toxicated, when you eat the plant, your body will get toxicated. When you say that an animal is roaming in an area which is not vaccinated by your local municipality, then the emission of that bacteria or some viruses from the animal will automatically affect the humans. And in around your areas there is a lot of unhygieness and some sewage water, something else it is flowing through your area, then automatically you will inhale all the things and your living condition and your body also will get affected. So these environmental reactions and that source of existence, which is discussed in Vedas, the source of existence means it is a chemical reaction which gave birth to all living beings and non-living beings on earth, how they are getting converted, how the celestial stars and other objects are getting their position or the sedimented in around us. These studies are to be included in the textbooks of elementary school and all of them, or else the future generations, they don't know what they are eating and they don't know what is the environment and they don't know what they are doing at all. I have recently conversated with a software engineer, and that fellow is unaware of all the things, and that's why I made a video on this subject. Jai Hind.